Hello everyone, welcome to a little bit of a different video. So for this one, I've just received a new hard drive and I'm going to install it. That's pretty much it. I still have I'm basically swapping out this hard drive, which is a 10 terabyte, for my original hard drive on my old gaming computer. I took that out, I've reused that, and that's what's been holding all of my processed videos. From now on, that's going to get replaced with that, and that's going to take all of the videos.
Share the load.
So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get started. Right, so here we are. There it is there. That is the beast that will be getting installed into one of those. I don't know which one it is, so I'm going to have a look and see if I can find out which one. Yeah. So right. Which one of these is it? Can't move that, it's too tight. Alright, that's my... Oh, fuck. Well, it's not good. That's the 3 terabyte, that's the 2, so that must be the one there. Right. So, over to the dark side of the moon for a second. I don't even know if you can actually see. Hold on. Right. So, this is the back of my PC. It's cables galore, pretty much. Yeah. Fuck, right. That's there. No, that doesn't sound good. There you go. So that's my old one. It's been with me for a while, but it kind of has to go. So, I was initially just going to add them in so that, there we go. I was initially just going to add the 10 terabyte in along with these two, but what the hell is it still stuck by? Oh, right. There we go. Alright, there we go. So for those that don't know, that's what a hard drive looks like. Although if you're watching this, I imagine you probably already know. We're going to set that there, I'll deal with that in a bit. Let's get this one connected in first. If I can. I hate opening these things. As ooh, feels very smooth. I like the feel of that. Right. What way? Point ends out that way, so it has to be sitting like that. This stuff's top tier. Here's a slide on the top. Because I can't reorganise you. Now, the top one, I may get my spare SATA cable out and I'll work out a way of getting that cable off. That's not a problem right now. I'll grab my spare SATA cable. That's what they look like, by the way, just in case you're curious. So, connection into the hard drive first is going to be easier. Oh god, right, here we go. Right. That should be it. Oh wait, no. Yeah, that would help if it was connected at this end as well. Alright. That's fine when they click in. Just making sure they're all connected properly because I've just been fanning around with that, but that should be it. Disconnect myself and let's test it out, shall we? See if we have life. Just need hope that this works because I'm not in the mood to troubleshoot. Maybe? Alright, well, it says it's installed. I don't even know if you can read that or not. There you go. It's got a wee tick next to it. I would switch to fraps and shit, but I mean, it's successfully installed. It's not showing up. But that's fine. If I go to manage, I should be able to see in there. Disk management. Likely it's not formed. What? Cancel. Alright, there we are. Unknown disk. Right. Initialize. What? Right, okay, so never seen that before. So, bit of Googling, it's GPT that I want to use because yeah, basically the other one doesn't allow for disk more than 2 size. Yep. Yes, I want it as fine. I don't know why I keep right clicking at the same time. New volume. Yeah, I'll do a quick format. Right. Normally you would select quick format, but I'm very particular. I'm gonna go with this. Just to make sure, by the way. Yeah, it is. Right. There we go. Once that's done, I'll show you what it looks like.
Right, so it is the next morning and it is finished! Hooray! I have no idea what time it finished at. When I fell asleep it was about 4:30 I think it was in the morning. And that was sitting at about 79%, so yeah, I've no idea when that finished, but there is way so much space. Woo! Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Just thought I would make this random video anyway. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.